Hello and welcome to an information skills video on how to obtain books and book chapters that appear in your search results. My name is Krista Bowers-Sharpe and I'm a librarian at Western Illinois University. At the end of the video, I will tell you how you can get in contact with the reference desk where we help people with questions like this. When you search a database and find something perfect, how do you get your hands on the actual text? This video uses one example database, Sociological Abstracts, but the underlying steps of the process apply to many other databases you may search. You may have experience finding journal articles, but books and chapters are different. Although the Find It at WIU Libraries button or link may appear with them in results lists, it doesn't work for them. You need to use our library catalog instead. Let me demonstrate using an actual search. Here's a SocAbs results list for books about tattoos. Again, don't let the Find It button trick you. Instead, you need to identify and highlight and copy the title of the whole book. So pay close attention as to whether you are looking at the listing for an entire book or a chapter in a book. Result number 2 is an entire book, but I can tell that number 3 is a chapter because it says Paul Sweetman in and then provides a second title and the publication information. Let's look up number 2 first. I'm going to copy the title of the book. Then in a second tab, jump over to the library's homepage. Right in the middle of the default Books tab, we can do a WestCat search by pasting in that title. And I have the exact title, so I'm going to choose that and search. This is a book that we do own. Click on it to see more information, including the location and the call number that you need to find this item on the shelf. We can assist you at any time with where the books are located by call number. Now I'm back in SocAbs. What about in the case of a book chapter, like number 3? I don't want to search the chapter title because that's not the way a library card catalog works. I need to look up the title of the whole book that it appeared in. So in this case, that is Exploring the Body. Again, I am going to copy the title and I'm going to jump back over into the card catalog and again paste the title. In this case, the catalog tells me there are no results matching your search. Exploring the Body. At this point in time, you have a couple of other options. You are not limited to borrowing only the books that we own. If you look at the library homepage again, on this default Books tab, you can see that first you are given the way to search what Western owns, which is WestCat. Next, a way to search what the iShare 90-some library system in Illinois has. And then finally, you can also go up to WorldCat, which covers most American libraries. And we're often able to borrow things from out of state as well as from public libraries in Illinois. Interlibrary Loan is a tool that can be very helpful to you. A quick review. For books and book chapters, find the book's title and then search it in WestCat to begin with. If we don't own it, you can try requesting through the iShare state system or through WorldCat, which connects with Iliad. That was a brief overview on how to determine whether WIU owns or has access to books or chapters you may find while searching. I have a companion video for locating journal articles. If you have any questions, you may contact me directly or use the URL on this screen to reach the reference desk in person by phone, IM, text, or email. We are always happy to help you.